everybody. Today we could eat spaghetti. Let's try it. Everybody is we is outside and I said, that's bad. I said, It's so good. It's so good, guys. It's so good, guys. Guys, it's so good this way. Guys, I is eating spaghetti.
Do y'all like playing outside? What kind of toys do y'all have?
Sticky toys. Good toys. Is that good toy? I'll go upstairs. In the roof. And this sticky. So sticky. It's so sticky. It's so sticky in the wall. Up in the roof. It's so sticky in the wall. Up in the roof.
Why did y'all throw the sticky toy up to the roof?
Because I wanted to play with them. No, we don't want you to see it.
Do y'all have a swing?
Over there in the park. Not a park. It's over there in the playground, Mom. Guys, I'm 4 and I'm 4 years old. And I like spaghetti. And I like spaghetti. And I like Lakenzie. And then there's this egg. We're ready to eat.
Do y'all like to dance? What's your favorite song?
Ooh.
Ooh? That's a song? How do it go?
Ooh. Ooh.
That's how it go? Oh my goodness.
No. What's my favorite song?
What's your favorite song, Adriann?
Anna.
Anna?
My favorite song is Anna.
How do it go?
It's a I swear like that. No, it's a. And the first time in Mommy, my Anna song. And the first time in forever. And music everywhere like that.
Okay.
And my favorite song is Elsa. Let it go, let it go. Not to cry. I don't care. And I'm going to slide. You don't care? I am. I'm to slide in the storage. Hold nobody anyway.
Are y'all gonna let me do your hair today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
I want to be Elsa. I want to be Anna with one hair. And I want to sing and I want to be Elsa. Yeah, I want to do like that. And she will Anna. No, I want to do like that. No, Katie, go do like that.
She gonna do like that? She gonna have a ponytail? Okay.
No, I go have Anna. I go have Anna hair.
You gonna have Anna hair?
Yeah.
The spaghetti good? What do y'all like to play with?
Dolls.
Dolls?
Dolls.
What's your doll's name?
I don't know. My doll is Teresa.
Teresa? And you don't know your doll's name? Make up her name. Make up one.
My doll is Teresa.
Teria? So your doll's name is Teresa, and your doll's name is Teria? Okay.
That's what our doll's name.
Okay. Teria and Teresa.
Teresa. Can you give me an Elsa costume out the store?
Can I get you a what?
Can you get me an Elsa dress out the store?
Yes.
And can you give me Anna dress out the store too?
Mm-hmm.
Elsa and Anna's store.
Okay.
Elsa and Anna dress.
What do Anna be saying? What does she say?
She said she want Elsa.
She want her Elsa.
And Elsa said she in her castle. Elsa in her castle. And Anna it can't be in Elsa castle.
Oh, okay. She can't. Why?
Because Anna and Elsa best friends. And Elsa said, like that. And Elsa is killed Anna down.
She did.
And she must say sorry.
She got to say sorry.
And she go put her snow clothes up in the roof on the sky. And she is happy.
She's happy.
I done.
Good job. You ate all your spaghetti.
And I want some corn.
You want some corn?
Yeah, I don't want the corn.
You want corn too, Adrian? You don't want any corn?
And I want rolls too.
You want rolls? Okay, well, let me get you a corn and some rolls.
I like rolls. Yeah, I don't want corn and rolls.
You don't want corn and rolls? All right. Tell everybody, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say like,
share,
and subscribe to our channel.
subscribe.